Today we're here to introduce our new and improved purpose-built trailer for carrying our BM20200 Roller Brake Tester. This unit is designed for fleet operations with several locations, remote areas. These trailers are an Australian design, Australian built and built for our conditions here in this country.
So as you can see, simple one-person operation. Remote control, fully wireless for the heavy-duty hydraulic tilt system. Got onboard batteries. We do have a proper battery isolator here, as well as some jump start connection points. Easy up and down, just as simple coming back down. At the front, we've got the optional Honda generator, which has got both single and three-phase power to run not only the brake tester, but the laptop, printer, and charge all of your other devices while you're out on the road.
So once the brake test is secured and away, locks in place, ramps in place there on the side, as you can see. It's just a matter of nice easy action. Folding up the rear tailgate, which is spring loaded, spring assisted there. Lock it into place and you're right to go. Standard features that come on this trailer is your electric breakaway system there, Anderson plug, 50mm ball, standard, 7-pin flat for your lighting, an adjustable landing leg there.
If your company's in the market for a roller brake tester and you want to get some great value out of it, consider one of our trailers and the mobile brake tester from BM.